In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word 365. If you've been working late or just prefer a darker interface to reduce eye strain, this quick adjustment will make your Word experience much more comfortable. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open Microsoft Word 365. You can launch it and either open an existing document or start with a blank page. It doesn't matter which one you choose, we just need Word running so we can access the settings. Now, look to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all the program level settings live. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll to the very bottom and click Options. That opens the Word Options dialog box, which is where we'll make the change. Inside Word Options, make sure you're on the General tab. You'll find it listed on the left-hand menu. This section controls the overall look and feel of Word, along with some personalization features. Next, scroll down to the area labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. This is where you can adjust themes for Word, and in most cases, other Office apps as well. Look for the setting called Office Theme. Click the drop-down menu, and you'll see several choices. To enable a true dark interface, select Black. This is the full dark mode and gives you the highest contrast, which is great for dim environments. If you prefer something more subtle that still takes the edge off bright whites, choose Dark Gray. It softens the interface without going completely black. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. Word will immediately switch to the new theme. You'll notice the ribbon, menus, and surrounding interface adopt the darker look, making the screen easier on your eyes. Your document content remains clear and readable, and you can keep working without missing a beat. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Because this is an Office theme, it typically carries over to other Office apps that use the same setting, helping you stay consistent across your workflow. And if you ever want to switch back, just return to File, Options, General, and change the Office theme to another option like colorful or white. It's completely reversible. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. You've just turned on dark mode in Microsoft Word 365, making your workspace more comfortable and focused. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly refreshed Word interface.